The outer layer of the eye has two MVPs, the cornea and the sclera. The cornea is the clear front surface. You can't see clearly without it because it's the first thing that bends the light entering your eye. Then there's the sclera, that tough white layer wrapping the whole thing up. It keeps everything protected, and honestly, it's got a lot of eye-tude.
First off, we can see the layers of muscle and fat that serve important protective and functional roles in the function of the eye. So here, the muscles control the movement of the eye in different directions, while the fat cushions and stabilizes the eyeball within its socket.
Has 4 external muscles, but humans have 6. That means our eyes can move more freely, up, down, left, right, and even diagonally, giving us better depth, perception, and coordination.
Next up, the pupil. Don't blink, or you'll miss it. It's literally a hole that lets light in. Surrounding it,
Moving deeper inside the eye. First off, this jelly-like stuff filling the eye, that's a vitreous humor. It keeps the eye round and firm. You could say it's got a great sense of humor.
and finally, the lens, the real focus of attention. It bends light so you can see clearly all around you. Once the light passes through the lens, it's headed through the back of the eye, and that's where Adam comes in.
The retina needs to be smooth so light focuses clearly on it. If it were wrinkled, the image will be distorted and blurry and would cause a diffuse reflection.
Here we have the retina, the MVP of vision. It's covered in light-sensitive cone cells that turn what we see into electrical signals for the brain. Behind that is the choroid, a dark layer full of blood vessels. It absorbs extra light so things don't reflect all over the place, kind of like an anti-glare coating of the eye.
Iris, the colored part of the eye that controls how big or small the pupil gets depending on light. Basically, your built-in camera settings.
So now we can see the optic nerve extending from the back of the eye. This nerve serves as the main communication link between the eye and the brain, transmitting visual information collected by the retina into electrical signals that the brain can understand. So without the optic nerve, we would not be able to see anything. And lastly, here, the eyelid functions as a protective covering for the eye. It closes to shield the surface from dust, bright light, and other sources of irritation, ensuring the eye remains clean and protected from irritants.
So light passes through the cornea and pupil, gets focused by the lens, and lands right on the retina.
The optic nerve sends those signals to the brain, and boom, that's how we see the world around us. In a bright room after being in the dark, your pupils dilate to reduce the amount of light entering the eye, protecting the retina from too much light.
The optic nerve causes a blind spot because it's the point on the retina where all the nerve fibers leave the eye to carry visual information to the brain, and it has no light-sensitive cells. Thank you all so much for watching this amazing unboxing video of a sheep's eye. I hope you all enjoyed.